Conquering conjunctions. Unraveling subordinating conjunctions in English. Hello, language learners. Welcome to another interesting session on grammar fundamentals. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of subordinating conjunctions. Our key objective is to understand what they are, why they're essential, and how to use them effectively in our everyday language. Let's get started. Before we jump into subordinating conjunctions, let's remind ourselves what conjunctions are. Conjunctions are the words that join words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. They're the glue that holds different parts of a sentence together, making our communication more fluent and coherent. Now, let's dig a little deeper. Subordinating conjunctions are a special type of conjunctions. They link a main clause, an independent clause that can stand on its own, and a subordinate clause, a dependent clause that cannot stand alone. Subordinating conjunctions introduce the subordinate clause and show a relationship between it and the main clause. Some common examples include because, although, if, until, and while. Subordinating conjunctions play a crucial role in giving complexity and depth to our sentences. They help express a wide range of relationships between ideas, such as cause and effect, time, and contradiction. For example, consider the sentence, "I study hard because I want to get good grades." Here, because is a subordinating conjunction that links the main clause, "I study hard," with the subordinate clause, "I want to get good grades," showing a cause and effect relationship. The proper usage of subordinating conjunctions can significantly enhance your language skills. However, it's essential to remember that a sentence with a subordinating conjunction must always have both a main clause and a subordinate clause. Also, the clause introduced by a subordinating conjunction can come before or after the main clause. For instance, both, "Because I was tired, I went to bed early," and "I went to bed early because I was tired," are correct. That's all for our quick introduction to subordinating conjunctions. We've covered what they are, their function, and their importance in English language. Remember, practicing these in your daily conversations or written communication will help you become more fluent and expressive. So, let's start using these little tools effectively to enhance our language skills. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in our next session. Happy learning!